Picture this. You are a detective, but instead of investigating crimes, you are investigating data. Every number, trend, and pattern in your data is a clue that helps you predict what is going to happen next. How cool is that? That is what predictive analytics is. We are using data to solve the mystery of what is next. Key concepts we will cover today. What is predictive analytics? How does it differ from descriptive and prescriptive analytics? What is predictive analytics? Predictive analytics is using past data to forecast the future. Imagine you are looking at a weather forecast. How do they predict rain? By looking at past weather patterns. Example 1. Imagine you work for a clothing company. You are looking at last year's winter sales. You notice that every time the temperature dropped below 5 degrees Celsius, your sales went up by 15%. Predictive analytics helps you take the insight and say this winter when it gets cold, we'll likely see another sales boost. Why is it awesome? With predictive analytics, you are not just reacting to things after they happen. You are one step ahead. Like knowing when your favorite product goes on sale before everyone else. How does predictive analytics differ from descriptive and prescriptive analytics? Descriptive analytics is like looking in the rear view of a car. It tells you what happened in the past. Example, our sales were higher last month. Predictive analytics is looking through the windshield, seeing what is coming ahead. It uses past patterns to predict future events. Example, based on last month's trends, we predict sales will rise by 10% next month. Prescriptive analytics is like having a GPS. It doesn't just tell you where you are going, it tells you the best way to get there. It gives you recommendations on what actions to take. Example, if we offer 10% discount, we can boost sales by another 5%. Predictive analytics in Excel, your toolbox. So how does Excel help you do this detective work? You already know Excel can handle a ton of data. But did you know Excel has some fantastic tools to make predictive analytics easy? You will learn about trend lines to visualize patterns, forecasting tools to predict future data, regression analysis for finding relationships between variables. Let's recap. Predictive analytics uses past data to predict future outcomes. It is different from descriptive analytics, which looks at the past, and prescriptive analytics, which tells you what actions to take. Excel is your partner in crime solving with tools like trend lines and forecasting.